Hey, Mo! Looks like you've organized quite the obstacle course here. Are you explaining the rules? This is a disaster, Mo. No one is listening, and it seems like they'll stop at nothing to win. It's getting out of control. You better call Maverick for help. Great jump, Maverick! Sorry to interrupt your practice, but Mo is holding an obstacle course at his farm, and everyone is pushing and arguing. He could really use your help. That's Mo now! As you can see, this isn't the fun-filled afternoon Mo was planning. To get others to listen, Mike. Maverick would like you to go with him. Maverick and Mike are here to help you, Mo. Guys, what's going on? Mo worked hard on this course. You're not being very nice. Mo will give you another chance to do the obstacle course. What is it, Maverick? There are brand new rules. You'll be in teams of 2. And for each station of the course, the vehicle running the course will be blindfolded. But the other teammate has to guide the blindfolded one through the course. It's all about teamwork, guys. Now let's go. Hey. Pair up. Decide who is running the course and place a blindfold on them. On your mark, get set, go! Okay, guys, no arguing. You have to listen to Mia. Listen to where Miranda tells you the balls are, Marty. Yahoo! You scored! Great job, guys! You've done it! You've just learned that you can do anything as a team. Thanks for your help, Maverick and Mike. See you next time, everybody. You had a good time, didn't you?
Hey!
But now it's home time. Don't forget to clean.
Hey!
Done. Let's go home now.
Hey! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no! Maverick, something terrible is happening. We got fire in the woods. We need to do something quickly. This could be a disaster. I think we'll need support. Let's see who's available and ask them for help.
Mama, Papa.
Mia, there is a huge fire in the woods. We need your help. Let's go get Max. Max, there is an emergency. Fire started in the woods. Maverick says that he saw the fire through his telescope. We gotta save our woods, and we need your help. Max, start spreading water over the fire.
Mama, Papa.
You can get that bucket there and use it to spread water too. That's not enough to put out the fire. We need to do something, Maverick. What is it, Maverick? You want to use that water tower? But how?
Mama.
Come on, Mia. You can do it. Yes! She did it! The fire is extinguished. Success! You guys also got a little bit of that water. What is it, Maverick? This empty bottle could be the source of the fire. But how? Glass can focus sunlight, which can then ignite wood and grass. Now I understand.
Oh,
Hi, Marty. What is it, Marty? It was your bottle. You left it behind after the picnic? Now we've discovered what caused the fire. It was the empty bottle left by Marty.
Pata.
Don't worry, Marty. No one got hurt, and we managed to put out the fire. Just remember in future to always clean after yourself. We're so happy that you were going to plant new trees, Marty.
Bad.
You're a very good monster truck.
Hey. Ha.
Well done, monster trucks. That was one big adventure. See you next time. Hey, Mo. Nice cabin. Nearly finished? Oh, no! Are you okay? You're trapped? Okay, I'll go get Maverick. Nice wheelie! Mo was building a cabin and got trapped under some logs. Can you save him? Hey, Mike! Maverick needs your help. Mo was building a log cabin and it collapsed. Now he's stuck. Can you help dig him out? Thanks, Mike. Mo, Maverick and Mike are here to help. Right, you better get started, guys. Heavy? This might take a while, eh? Good job, guys! You got Mo out of there! Why are you sad, Mo? You should be grateful Maverick and Mike came to help. You don't want to start building again? Right, Maverick. Now Mo has a chance to make an even better cabin. What do you say, Mo?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. What is it, Mike? Oh, you think you need to dig a foundation for the cabin? Good idea. It won't fall over then. Okay, let's get going. You don't like sand? Right, it does get everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Looks ready to go. Looking good. Wow! Good work, guys! Enjoy the cabin, guys. See you later. Oh, poor Mo. He's trying to do stunts just as well as Maverick. Oh no! Mo, are you okay? You're hurt? I better call for help. Please, don't move, okay? Hey, Maverick, are you having an aerobics session? That's great, but I've got bad news. Mo is in the skate park. He's been practicing some tricks, and unfortunately, he fell. Now he's badly hurt and can't move. He's got some nasty scratches. Can you help him? I think we should ask Miranda to join us. She'll take care of Mo's injury. Hey, Miranda. I see you found a way of being in a good mood despite this dull weather, huh? Maverick is going to help Mo, who got scratched at the skate park. Can you come along and help Maverick? Great! Let's go! Mo is such a tough monster truck. Miranda, you know what to do. This is going to paint over the scratch, Mo. Good boy. So you'd like to do stunts just as well as Maverick? Maybe you could ask him to show you how to do them. What do you say, Maverick? Can you show us some tricks? Wow! He is incredible! That was great, Maverick! Miranda, we've heard that you also know some tricks. Would you show us? Absolutely stunning, Miranda! Mo, why don't you try again? You have 2 champions watching you, so you can only do better. Look, Mo, even the weather got better for you. I think it's a sign. Take these, Mo. You'll feel a lot more confident with the music on. Is this for real? This is the trick Mo failed on last time. He has to make it this time, though. Oh my God! Yes! He did it!
Hey!
Mo, I can't believe you did it so well! Yes, indeed. Mo is one talented monster truck. Have a great time!
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.